Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you. If it's meant for you, you'll know, right? And if not, maybe it's meant for someone else. So let's begin. Capricorn, thank you so much. All my subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new here, we welcome you in. This is our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for readings for all zodiac signs. So we welcome you. Do join us. Subscribe to the channel. 8 of Pentacles, working towards something. Let's see. Capricorn, before I start your reading, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading, okay? So my angels, what do you have for Capricorn for this weekend now? Any blessing or advice for Capricorn? You're a leader. Whatever you're doing, Capricorn, keep at it. And if you haven't begun, it's time because you're going to win big time. I'm going to put this card here. And let's see if we can get one more for you, Capricorn. You need one, I think. You're doing a great job. Or if you're thinking of starting something, go ahead. You're going to win. I have the 8 of Pentacles, like putting the work in and succeeding. One more card for Capricorn, please. One more card. My angels, one more card. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Both the cards are so beautiful. Look at this, Capricorn. Practice makes perfect. Okay. And what is the last card on my deck? Is the 8 of Pentacles. Look at the way this person is making coin after coin after coin, practicing his craft and building themselves up. Okay, so this could pertain to any sphere of your life. Even if it's self-love, Capricorn, if you are making an effort now to give yourself more time and making consistent, and that's what my angels are saying, don't give up. Just continue doing whatever you feel is the right path for you because you are going to win. You are going to win and you will have victory. You are a leader and they're applauding you for the efforts you're making. So now let's open your cards, Capricorn. 7 of Swords, okay. 9 of Swords, the Sun, the World, Ace of Wands and the 4 of Pentacles. Are you on the verge of leaving someone, somebody has left you or you're leaving someone, but it's actually making you feel rather good. You are not very happy, but you're not very unhappy either. You feel it's time now maybe to, you're not feeling that passionate regarding this connection anymore. And I think on the verge of rejecting them. Spirit, can I have a card for the 7 of Swords, please? This is normally called the cheater, liar card who sneaks away, but not necessarily. Sometimes you can escape a bad situation too. So that could be representing that. Because right next to that, Capricorn, I have the 9 of Swords, which is, yes, this is a decision I think somebody's made consciously. You or your partner, somebody, Capricorn, has made a decision to move away, right? To leave a situation, and this is actually going to lead to lack of stress and worry and sleepless nights. Maybe this was very, very taxing for you, and now you kind of either making a decision or have made a decision. And because I think now you need healing. You need healing. It's been quite traumatic for you, I think, Capricorn. It's been a while that you were in a place where you were feeling quite unhappy. And I think that you are either making a decision, it's not making you happy. I mean, it's not making you extremely happy to do this, but I think you feel that it'll make you happier than what you've been subjected to. Yeah, I think you've cut off communication with somebody or you're going to. And even though you're not ecstatic about it, but you still feel that this is a happier place to be in. By not communicating, by taking some time out to rest and heal, you've kind of lessened your stress and worry. Right now, Capricorn, you may be on the verge of kind of finishing an old chapter of your life. You don't feel that passion anymore, you don't feel the excitement anymore. you are still kind of, you haven't shut it completely, Capricorn. There is still a bit of resistance here in completing this chapter of your life, because at one time I think you felt a lot of love for this person, whoever you're dealing with. But right now, because you're not feeling any passion, there is a bit of depression, feeling a bit rejected maybe. Not feeling your best. Queen of Pentacles is in reverse, and so is the Four of Cups in reverse. The love is there, or was, but it's at the tail end, I feel. What's this Ace of Wands, Spirit? Ace of Wands. Yeah, you are a bit confused right now. You're a bit confused. You feel things are still not very clear, and you really don't know which direction to move in, whether you want to go back, whether you want to move forward. You think other people or your person is still keeping a lot of secrets from you, and it's not making you feel the best, but you are kind of healing from this, I think. Yeah, you are. See, the minute I said you're healing from this card came out. So this must have been pretty painful for you, Capricorn. So either you are going to be doing this, or you are already in the process. You have rejected somebody and left them out for self-love, self-time for you, which is so important for you right now, Capricorn. And you are kind of healing this hurting heart of yours. Yeah, you're dreaming of this fresh beginning now. You're dreaming of this fresh beginning. You may not have ended this completely, but you are thinking about it. Yeah, Hierophant is in reverse. Knight of Cups is in reverse, and so is the Seven of Pentacles. Yes, there is a commitment which is either breaking up or it's not coming. Or you've now realized that this person was probably a trickster, okay? This person was a mischief maker, brought in no commitment. All the promises seemed false coming from this person. Even though you may have felt a strong bond, and this weekend they may just come back and give you some more promises, Capricorn, but things are still kind of not moving forward in a right direction. When you meet them, maybe you feel, that you have sweet memories, and you have love for this person, but this person is not bringing you any commitment, still playing mischief with you, promises are still getting broken, yet you feel a strong soul tie to this person. Even though things are not moving forward in a good way, you are still kind of going back and forth here. You don't know what to do. You are realizing now, especially this weekend, you are sitting and pondering to think, what is the investment this person's actually put? There has been nothing put, in a constructive way to take this forward. The tower is falling, Capricorn, and you know it, and you know why it's falling, but there is a fear of change here. There is a fear of letting go. You're still kind of holding on to it, still not being able to complete this cycle. You are thinking about it. You are thinking about it. You are thinking of all that was put in and all that was lost, okay? Or who put in what and who didn't commit. So one more card, Spirit, for the World card. One card for the World card again. The same card is out again. Yeah, I think you're turning your back on this player, Capricorn. This person was very destructive, was very in and out of your life all the time. They came in maybe for passion only, they never committed, and I think now you are kind of wanting to turn your back on this person, and you are now working. You see, I have the same card twice. You are going to work on your own self-love and your self-healing, okay? And the more you're going to do it, practice makes perfect, you are going to win big time. I'm going to take one more card for this work card. What is Capricorn working on this diligently, Spirit? Do they want to work on this relationship, or are they working on their own self? So what's this Eight of Pentacles, Spirit, for them? What's this Eight of Pentacles for them? No, Capricorn, I think you're finally coming to this decision to drop this altogether. You don't want to start anything new with this person again. You're saying, let karma deal with them. I'm going to go off. I have so many new options to choose from. I'm going to move ahead in my own life and pick one which suits me the best. And I think you're going to drop this and start working towards your own self healing, self love, and self progress in life. And you're going to win big time. This card doesn't come out easy. These two cards don't come out that easy. Practice makes perfect. And Capricorn, never forget, you are a leader. And the universe is applauding you for making this decision for yourself. Okay? So, rest is, of course, up to you. Your free will is there, Capricorn. Use your own judgment. I'm only here to read the cards, okay? And if you need a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me. Till then, till next week, love and light. Take care. Namaste.